So, first thing first, all evicted housemates that shopped their food goes to collective.
No, Eloswag said to everybody he wants me to get his stuff.
Who did he say?
Everybody.
It's not the issue of shout.
No, we're not arguing. Let me speak. Let me speak a bit. Eloswag said that he... No.
I don't know.
I didn't hear. We only saw the money.
I'm not interested.
The money now.
Let me speak. You're the HOH here. Let me just speak. You're the HOH here. You have a different relationship with Big Brother.
Who did he tell?
I said I'm speaking to you now. You can ask Biggie.
So you guys did not hear it.
Chomzy said they want Bella and Naija and have their money, food and money. That's how I even know what the list is on. If you look at my list,
I only heard about the money.
So saying it goes to collective is not fair because collective is you guys. We're not. That's not what it is.
Let me find out first.
Yeah, let us Biggie. Eloswag said Shakes has all my stuff.
I would ask from Big Brother personally.
I do. Where that list there, man?
You lot are not close to them. You don't like them. They said they're giving.
We never said nobody don't like them. Nobody said that.
They're not close. This is not. That's what they said. That's what they said. They literally said.
No, I bet that just
Swag and Chomzy literally said you and Bella are the only people that we want to have your stuff. This is on camera. That's literally what they said.
That's why I said I would ask Big Brother. If he says yes,
it's okay to ask Big Brother.
So for now, normally the rules since even when we were upstairs.
Guess Big Brother will tell you. It's up to you.
The list is among the list I handed to Adekunle right now. So Adekunle just separate everything. Then the Eloswag Chomzy, yes, just leave it. Yes, their own. And I've given their own to them. Okay, Groovy, Bryann.
Yeah, now make I go. I beg, wait to. Hey. No, yes. Okay, run, grab my drink. See on there, babe. For they go punish me.
I'm doing. Oh wow. Is it just 3 people that are watching movie now?
Supposedly.
Crazy.
That's Eloswag.
Crazy. What the
People are living life here. What are you cooking, bro? Good evening, Phyna. It is time for you to enjoy your Showmax reward. The Showmax room is now open and available for your pleasure. Remember, Showmax is a streaming app that allows you to watch your favorite show anywhere, anytime, and on any device. So, from the Nigerian and international series and movie to live sports, from super sports and more, everything can be found on Showmax. As you can see, the level you once called home has now changed a bit, and now houses housemates you believe have been evicted. You may proceed to enjoy your Showmax reward with Groovy, Bryann, Chomzy, and Eloswag. No wonder they reduced it. Beyond the Showmax reward, Big Brother would like you to spend the night in this new place. What? Let's call it Liberty! After all, it is the level up season. Big Brother has provided supplies in the storeroom to make your sleepover enjoyable. Yours truly, Big Brother.
Maybe I told you guys that we leveled up.
Guys!